What's up guys? Today we are ditching the power tools and getting our hands dirty here in the kitchen. We're going to review this 15-piece PAUDIN knife set. I apologize if I'm not pronouncing it right. I do need to tell you they provided it to me to have all this fun. So why don't we get to me cutting up some meat and veggies and all kinds of great stuff, and I'll tell you about this set. When I get done, I'll come back, I'll let you know what my overall experience was. Hopefully that'll be helpful for you. Let's start carving stuff up. Now I know what you're thinking, knives, really? But trust me, this isn't your grandmother's cutlery. This bad boy comes with everything you need to tackle any culinary challenge, from slicing up steak, which we're gonna do, to prepping veggies for a surprisingly healthy meal. Yeah, we're gonna put this all together for a surprisingly healthy meal. One of the features of these knives, which is really important, is they have a full tang and triple rivets, which gives these knives a solid, durable feel. You can tell they're built to last. Plus, the carbon stainless steel is resistant to rust and stains, so you could toss these in the dishwasher without worrying about them getting all messed up. What's in here? We've got a chef's knife, we've got a carving knife, a bread knife, a paring knife, utility knives. Heck, there are even a pair of kitchen shears in here. Check this out, it comes with a built-in sharpener so you keep these blades razor sharp. No more hacksawing like a lumberjack with a dull axe. The real question is, how did these knives perform? Why don't we go ask me after I've been using them for the evening? Okay, I'm not chatting. I've been cooking all night. I'm starving. These things are freaking awesome. If you want them, there's a link down here below. You could go get it there, or in the description there's a link. It really helps out the channel. We appreciate it. Like, subscribe, follow while you're down there. I hope this has been helpful. It was fun to do. See you next time.